Ready to turn your static Excel spreadsheets into stunning, interactive dashboards using the power of Tableau. Let's jump right in. First, open Tableau desktop. You'll be greeted by the Start page, which is like your command center here. You'll find various options to connect to your data. In the Connect area, you'll see a list of different data sources. We're going to focus on Excel. Click on the Excel option, represented by the familiar Excel icon. A File Explorer window will open up on your computer, allowing you to navigate and select the Excel file you want to import. Browse through your folders and choose the file you're targeting. Click Open. After selecting the file, Tableau will establish a connection and display the Excel file sheets on the left side of the screen. These are like the tabs within your Excel file. To bring your data into Tableau, simply click and drag the sheet you want to analyze from the left pane directly into the main data pane, the large area in the center. Once the sheet is dragged, Tableau instantly loads the data. You'll now see your data displayed within Tableau, with each column from your Excel sheet automatically organized into dimensions and measures, ready for analysis. From here, you can start creating visualizations. Drag and drop fields onto your canvas to build charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. Now go forth and create meaningful insights using Tableau and the data from your spreadsheets.